Today, Annie is very happy as it is a Sunday, and Sunday is a holiday. Did you know that Sunday is named after the sun? Annie loves to draw. She has made a bright yellow sun in her drawing book. When seen very closely through a telescope, the sun looks like this. It is a big ball of hot and burning gases. The sun is very important for both plants and animals to stay alive. Let us learn more about the sun. When you see the sun from Earth, it looks very small in the sky. Actually, it is very large in size. It is so huge that about 1 million Earths would fit into the sun. Why do you think the sun looks so small from the Earth? Let's try to understand this. Annie is on the terrace of a very tall building. From the terrace, she can see cars parked in the parking lot. The cars look very small from a distance. In the same way, the sun too appears very small when seen from the Earth because it is very far away from it. When we look up in the sky during the day, we see the sun shining brightly. Have you ever wondered from which direction the sun rises and sets? Let us try to find out with the help of a compass. The compass helps us to locate the 4 directions. The 4 directions are north, south, east, and west. That sun rises in the east. That sun sets in the west. When the sun shines brightly in the sky, it is daytime. Sun gives us light and helps us to see the things around us. Have you ever wondered what would happen if there was no sun? Discuss in class. Annie likes to play outside with her friends. They all love it when the day is bright and sunny. Can you think of more ways in which sun's light helps you every day? Discuss in class. Annie also helps around the house. She is helping her mother to hang up the wet clothes outside. How do the clothes get dry? The heat from the sun helps to dry the wet clothes quickly. Annie is now helping her mother clean up the mess on the table. But she is a bit surprised when she touched the spoon. Do you know why? Discuss in class. The spoon is warm. The heat from the sunlight made the spoon warm. So, now you know that sun gives us heat too. Did you know that heat of sun can also be used to cook food, heat water, or even run a television? Solar cookers, solar water heaters, and solar batteries use heat of the sun to function. Have you ever seen a solar battery or solar cooker? Discuss in class. The plants also need sunlight to make their food. Without the sun, all plants would die. Discuss what would happen if there were no plants on earth. Did you know that there are millions of objects in the sky that are huge balls of burning gases? These objects are called the stars. From the Earth, the stars appear as small twinkling bright spots of light. On a clear night, you can see the whole sky filled with stars. Just like the sun, the stars produce their own light. The stars are round, just like the sun. Tonight, Annie cannot see the stars in the sky. When there are many clouds, we cannot see the stars. Just like the sun, the stars are also bigger than the earth. But because they are very, very far away from the earth, we see them as small twinkling spots in the sky. Did you know that the closest star to the earth is the sun? Annie loves to see groups of stars form different shapes in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellations. The shapes formed by the constellations have names. The Orion, the Great Bear, etc. are the names of some constellations.
Have you heard of the Dog Star? The Dog Star is the brightest of all and prominently visible from the Earth.